Okay, guys, I want to show you what the new chat looks like. Doing this mainly for myself, and I'm doing it on Zoom and on my laptop, neither of which I've done before. So let's see how this turns out. I hope I have audio. Here I am in the replay of Music with Words and Pictures, episode 18, Terry Lee Britton's lovely music. And I see that there is 2 or 3 chats, and I start poking around. You have the option of live chat replay, all messages are visible, which I haven't tried, and top chat. It is the top chat is default. Let's see, visible. I don't see that it gives me any more. I'm familiar with them, but you are seeing timestamps. Where do you get those, you might ask? Okay, here you go. Here are some options. Participants, when I click participants, I only get one, and that is the person presenting. When I click toggle timestamps, it gives me timestamps, visible timestamps, although I've not found a way to click on them, they're not live links, and jump to that portion. So maybe I was expecting too much. And this is just the regular sent feedback form. And as far as I can tell, I have watched comments. Yeah, there's a new comment right there at 4125 from Greg. And so it gives, obviously, is a replay of the comments rather than having the comments transferred down to the comment section. So I think that's pretty cool, and that's all I've got for you right now. Cool. I go up here and do this and stop the recording. Thanks for watching.